And me, I'm just sitting here in this traffic like, am I ever going to get to my destination on time? No, I'm not. So I can't panic and start driving crazy. I'll crash. I'll hit the Jeep. I'll ram the Chevy. I'll hit the Silverado. The best I can do is just try to get there. Plus, I'm almost out of gas. So who's to blame? Me. I left too late. So sometimes we're human and we make mistakes. True. Now we're moving at a normal pace again. Traffic is moving okay. And I'm just trying to be patient. We're about 10 minutes out from our location. If there's no more accidents, if everyone is consistent with speed. I'm trying to keep good following distance, and I don't want to really be on the gas pedal really hard because I will basically run out of gas. So I'm trying to get this car to the destination without running out of gas. That's what I'm trying to do. No, people don't listen at all. I wish they would, but they don't. They're from Indiana, out-of-town driver. We're at about 50. Things feel pretty smooth, but I'm always trying to cover the brake. And most of the people drive SUVs. You can see the GMC, the Jeep, another Jeep. That one traffic incident cost us about 12 minutes. That's incredible. Get over one lane. And for some of you, like, that's why I can't stand driving or not driving. I'm not mad. I'm running into a lot of people in their 20s, early 20s, who want to learn how to drive. But one of my drivers canceled twice on me. I think he drove 4 times, canceled the last 2. I'm telling him, we need to stay on target. I'm trying to get you done. Ultimately, we want to get you to your road test. See how peaceful it is right now? We're moving. You'll be able to see these huge skyscrapers. We're kind of in a business district, a business suburban district. I'm gonna fill up once I pick up the young adult. Whoa! You saw that backup, right? You saw me cover the brake. I'm below 1/4 of a tank, probably about 50 miles left, but every car is different. I gotta make a left-hand turnaround. I'm 3 miles from my destination, but with this traffic, and then this is E. Do you have these left-hand turnarounds? Can you make lefts at certain intersections? This is called a J turn. And you should be able to see those beautiful skyscrapers. And then when I turn, I'm going to be to the right. but you do see the life of a driving instructor and what he or she does. It's a really nice area. They really built up this area a lot. A lot of condos, a lot of people, good school districts, decent sports teams. Buffalo's not fun. Yes, I've been to Buffalo. My son and I went there. He was recruited by the University of Buffalo. We spent a weekend there. Got a hotel. We saw the campus. How far are you from Buffalo, New York? Near the university. Yeah, you see Burger King. You already know the king of burgers, right? Their onion rings are hanging. But we drove through Canada, come up through Niagara Falls, New York. We stopped by and saw Niagara Falls on the way back. So it was really nice. Long drive, but nice. 45 minutes. Okay, I got it. So I kind of have an idea. All right. So you'll see all these homes and everything. All right. So that was 16. We got 3 miles to go. And then you see the major interstate up here. They're from Florida. Car to my left. But we'll do anything for our kids and our family. And I firmly believe, when you help people, good things happen. This is where I get confused. I often miss my turn. So, and this curve is kind of crazy. It's a really short, little sharp curve. And then we got a double yellow line. So we can't cross this line, but then we have a white line. We can change lanes. So you got to know this too for your test. That's why you have to pay attention. No double line crossing, you got that. True that. True that. Yeah, you've listened so much. You know the sounds. I'm putting stuff in my McDonald's bag, trying to get the car clean. This is like a industrial area we're going through now. You see a lot of businesses. The environment has changed.